country are you from? Can you introduce your company?
We are from Oman, based in south part of Oman, Salalah. Actually, we deal like a shipping agency, and we rent out heavy equipments like crab bucket for the ship and the port of Salalah also. And sometimes we will give to port of OUCO. It's in the middle of. Okay, so we already have 12 CBM head bucket crab. So we need a little bigger one. That's why we were searching for that. And we planned the last event in Bangkok, Intersect. The same date I got an invitation from you, like for the maritime Dubai. So we cancelled that Intersect and we joined with you in maritime in Dubai.
So that's
yeah, that's what it's good because we meet you in Dubai because that's more trustable.
So what products do you buy from OUCO this time?
Now we choose crab mechanical crab 12 to 15 CPM. So we already order for quantity. And about the OUCO, we heard about OUCO, which you have on factory, and I already visited in the morning your factory and everything. So I trusted your company. So our delivery is near.
Thanks for your trust. So did the OUCO's product or service solve your needs?
Yeah, we need your service in future also. And we planned 12 CBM for quantity in future, maybe after 4 to 6 months to deploy in the compound.
So okay. So during the factory visit, like which part is important for you?
For the testing.
So what would you say to recommend to OUCO to your friends?
Yeah, of course I will recommend Europe, but not in Oman, in another country, because if Oman needs to copy, it will be a competitor for us.
Okay. So please use 3 words to describe your first time to come to OUCO.
Yeah, this is the first visit to in OUCO, and thank you for inviting me to your factory.
Yes. Okay. So thank you, Salah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.